Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. If you're facing the frustrating message, Internet not available on your Android phone, even though you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, don't worry, this is a common issue, and there are several simple ways to fix it. 1. Restart your phone. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches in the network system. Hold down the power button, tap, restart, or reboot. Wait for the phone to restart and check your internet connection again. 2. Turn airplane mode on and off. This refreshes your network connection. Swipe down the notification bar, tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on. Wait 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off again, and check if the internet is back. 3. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Try switching the connection to see which one works. Turn off Wi-Fi and use mobile data. Or, if you're using mobile data, connect to a trusted Wi-Fi network. This helps isolate if the issue is with a particular connection type. 4. Check for data limit settings. If mobile data is not working, go to Settings, tap on Connections, then select Data Usage. Ensure Data Limit or Data Saver is turned off. 5. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings can fix corrupted configurations. Open Settings. Scroll down and select General Management. Scroll down a bit and tap on Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Choose which SIM card to use for internet, then click Reset Settings button. Enter the screen lock PIN of your phone. Confirm, reset, and restart your device. Reconnect to the internet and test again. 6. Check SIM card and carrier settings. Make sure the SIM card is inserted correctly. Try the SIM card in another phone to see if it works. Check if your carrier is having an outage. That's how you can fix the Internet not available error on Android phones. With one of these steps, your device should be able to reconnect to the Internet smoothly. If the issue persists, contact your network provider or visit a service center for help. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.